Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to share with you Exness real account setup. Also download MT4 basic information about MT4 with Exness. First of all, you can check video description. By this link you can create an account. After that you can verify your account by passport or national ID card. Then you can log in your account my.exness.com from same here. Then I click the continue. After for email and password, then you can just click the continue button. After login, then you can find out the my account page. From same here you don't found anything. After that you need to create another account. This is for MT4 or MT5. From same here you just simply click the from new account. Same here. After that you can select the open a real account from same here. If you need to tie in demo account, you can select also the demo account available from here. Also you can open a real account, anyone you can choose. Simply click this open real account button. After that you can just select the MT4. This is the better M1 candlestick available. This is the view is looking good. From same here you just select the MT4. From same here you can select the real. After this this is the leverage. This is the good leverage point. From same here you can just select the USD, select standard. From same here you just put a password. This is the unique password, I mean good password needed. From same here simply just create an account. Then you can see this type of one account is available. From same here you just simply create from the trade button. Then you can just copy this information. Otherwise from same here you can copy to paste, no problem. From same here you need to download the metadata 4. Click here, then after that you can download it. After download complete you can install it. After install, from same here you just copy your login ID, also the MT4 standard account password. Then you just open the this page. You can show the after install the metadata, not before. First of all you just download and simply you can install it. Then from same here from same this connection, from same here you can check this is the point, or from same here this is the another point. Click this check this no connection option. Then click the login button, and then just you put your account ID, I mean account number. This is the login account number. After that from same here you just put your standard account password. Then another thing I just mentioned from same here, this is the real account 7. Check server name is real account 7. From same here you just select the and lots of option available. You can just select the real account 7, then click the save account information, then click the login. This is the login. This is the simple system. You can find this page, then you can customize. How to customize? From same here just click the this button, then this button, then downward is empty. Or if you need to again back, from same here just click this option, then you can find that this option again available. From same here you can check account balance, state, account history, also the lots of things is available. From same here news alert, mailbox, marketing signals, articles, lots of things available. From same here how to customize, how to check the view. From if you click this option this is will be the last option. You can click the from same here this is the zoom button. From same here you just select the candlestick. This is the candlestick. Then click this option go to the last market position, this option. After that you click the right mouse button. After that from same here you just click this option, then you can find this option. This is the looking is good. This looking is good. then you can save as a template. From same here, just click this template right button, after that click the save button. Then you can choose your name, anything. Then if you just change the another pair, from same here, just click this right button, then template, then BB. I save this template, this check, this is the show the previous saving tablet. This is look is good. If you need to analysis from same here, this is the another option for choose a support on resistance level. For if you into calculation pips, you can click this one. You can calculation pips by this option. This is needed. This is the, from same here tools option, you can open a new order. If you into TET, then if you into open a real or remote TET, you can just simply click the tools option, then click the new order. After that, if you click the sell button, if market go to the down, then you can make profit. If you click the buy button, if your market go to the upper position, this you can make profit. But after that, if you see, you just click the sell button, but market go to the against by you TET, you are loser. Again with this thing by TET. I think you understand about simply about the Exness MT4 platform. Simply, if you need to try in a demo account, simply just open a demo account. Then after that, from same here, you just click this login button. Then you can with server names, ID and password, you can log in it in your demo account. You can open a TED and try in your demo account. There are no losses. Exness MT4, this is the good broker, the trusted broker. You need to TED, then you can choose this broker. I make a deposit also, I'm going trading from here. This is the good platform. So this is my account balance 104, and my balance is total balance is 273. This is the my account option, this is the deposit option, withdraw option, transaction, lots of things available here. You can check it. This is verification video available in my YouTube channel. I will also mention in my video description. You can check it. If you face any problem, then you can contact with me by email or other social media account. Thanks for watching this video.